you can power up the unit and it comes up on the voice. Kit number, you can scroll through different drum sets. And then you can also go to drum kit and edit the individual voices. Go through the whole drum set and you can select the voice over here. So if you want a different sound, you can do that. Here's the crash. Just as an example. So you have songs that you can play too. You've got a metronome. And you can change the volume, number of beats, all that stuff. You can go to the drum set and go through different settings, pad sensitivity, reverb type. There's different types of reverb, and then also somewhere in here is the reverb volume. I think if we go up here, yeah, EQ, reverb level, reverb type. So you have control over lots of different features there in the unit, and then of course you have volume up and down, overall volume, and different menu settings, and then of course power on and off. I don't know, a couple things that you might want to know about on this particular set. I think the kick could use a little more stability, so if you know, I want to use this thing for practice and yeah, and maybe some MIDI recording. I would probably work on that kick stand a little bit, maybe stabilize it. It moves around a little bit, but it's not too bad. All the other drums feel great. The cymbals are, you know, they're rubber cymbals, but they feel fine. Maybe the only other thing is the hi-hat pedal. I noticed that mine, and I don't know if this is typical, but mine releases a little bit late. So when I'm playing the close sound, it takes like a second for it to release and go to the open sound. So I'm not really sure why that is, but I just wanted to be, you know, objective here and give you all the info. The sound module is good. It's okay. It's not the best. You could certainly pay a lot more money and get, you know, a much more natural, organic sounding drum set sound. But again, at the price that this thing is at, I think it's a great value. You know, it depends on what your goals are. If you want an entry-level practice setup that feels pretty good, pretty natural, certainly way better than just, you know, a practice pad drum set, which is what I first started on. I think it's great. Like I said, you can trigger the computer sounds. You can trigger any sounds you want. You can change all this stuff to some, you know, pretty crazy and wild. And some of the electronic drum sets out there have other stuff like samples, you know, bass guitars and synthesizers and Latin percussion, other sounds. This one is pretty much just drum set sounds in different styles. Here's like number 12, 13, 14, 15.
Video Shopping Network, an Amazon affiliate. To see this product on Amazon, click the link in the video description below. You'll be able to see current pricing, product reviews, and any special deals. Desktop users should see the Amazon quick link below the video. Mobile users will need to click the little down arrow below the video first.